Alright, what's up traders? It's Mark here coming at you with yet another wild, incredible trading recap from today. And all I can say is, what a day for a rally. Okay, we were basically green all day. If you were a short seller today, you got absolutely smoked, right? So let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And the only thing that we here at the DynoTrading team focus on is helping traders understand the power of a trend trading system. Okay, because in my humble opinion, a trend trading system or a trend trading strategy, which is what I'm going to show you here on this chart, this is the only thing that works. Okay, I think a trend trading strategy is far superior than a scalping strategy or a breakout strategy. And of course, a trend trading system will always beat a nonsense garbage indicator strategy that a lot of you guys and gals are doing out there. Anyone that tried to trade candlesticks today or tried to trade your Bollinger Bands or your stochastics or any other nonsense garbage indicator, you got absolutely smoked today, right? Because I still don't understand how anybody can trade candlesticks or Bollinger Bands or any of these free weirdo indicators out there. Like, what the heck is a Bollinger Band anyway, right? I have no idea why people even take the time out of your day to look at this indicator. It's a giant waste of time, right? Anyway, let's get back to the good stuff here, okay, guys and gals? What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live market price action, and more importantly, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the price bars is our proprietary volume indicator color band, all right? This is a simple but powerful trend trading indicator. And this thing has one job and only one job every day, and that is to help you as a trader identify the prevailing trend at any one moment in time. You understand? For example, when this color band is red, it tells you that the sellers are in control. And of course, when this thing turns green, as it did today at 9:40 a.m., it tells you that the buyers are now in control, and there's a better chance than not that the market's going to go up. You don't know for sure, but at least you have an inclination or a bias for the day on what direction to play. You understand? Because listen, if you can't get the direction right when it comes to trading the market, then you're never going to have any success. I don't care what anybody tells you, okay? Getting the direction right, in my opinion, is the number one most critical factor that separates profitable traders from losing traders. Again, that is my opinion. I'm convinced of that, okay? So now you know what this volume indicator color band can do for you, okay? But simply getting the direction right is not enough for us, right? We also need to look for high probability setups within the context of an uptrend while also being able to minimize our stop loss. In other words, minimizing our risk on the trade. And you guys know what's coming next, right? Listen, this pattern that I'm going to show you here, it's working almost every single day on every market. Forex, it works. Futures, it works. Stocks and options, it works. All right? Now, don't ask me why it works. All I can tell you is, in my opinion, it just works. Let me show what I'm talking about. So, whenever this volume indicator gives you a potential trend change, meaning that whenever the color of the band changes from red to green, as it did so right here, okay, you are now on high alert. You've got your finger on the trigger, ready to push that button, okay? But we need to be selective on where we decide to go long, right? Because I don't want to go long just on a color change. Some of my customers really enjoy doing it that way, but I personally do not do it that way. Instead, what I like to look for, as what happened today, is after the color change, I want to see the market establish a nice upward momentum and then pull back underneath the color band. You understand? In fact, let me just go ahead and zoom in here. Let me get you really dialed in as much as I can here, right? You see how this bar's low was underneath the band, right? That's what makes this bar right here our trigger. This is our confirmation that yes, boss man, it's time to go long this market. All right, so what I would look to do is go long on the open of the next bar. My stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, okay, underneath the trigger bar's low, and that's really it. This is the anatomy of how you selectively and carefully decide when to take a trade. I mean, that's it. Was there anything complicated about what I just explained? Was there anything confusing about what I just showed you? Right? You know what is confusing? Stuff like this. All the suckers and the retail traders who got smoked today got their faces chopped off on this clutter, right? But over here, it was like taking candy from a baby. And I'm telling you folks, this retracement pattern on this volume indicator shows up all the time. Every market, futures, Forex, stocks, options. I mean, it's just there if you know what you're looking for, right? It's there for all of you guys who are serious traders. You're passionate about making money from the market. And more important than anything else, you believe in the power of a trend. So yeah, man, congrats to all you guys and gals who were using the vol indicator to just crush it today. I think we're going to have a very nice trading month. And listen, if you're on the sidelines fumbling and bumbling around, I don't know what to tell you, man. Get your butt off the sidelines, get involved. This volume indicator has changed so many of my clients' trading and technical analysis. And as far as I'm concerned, man, I cannot wait to see if we're going to get another pattern like this tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.